What is up, everybody? I am at MSI's booth right here at CES 2025, checking out what offerings they have for the gamers out there. As you know, every year when MSI comes to CES, they showcase a lot of their nice graphics cards, computers, monitors, all things that your gamers will love out there. And of course, we're going to get into all that information. I'm going to give you a tour of the booth, let you see some of the goodies that MSI has on display. But before we do all of that, if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button as well. All right, let's jump into it. All right, so first off, MSI always comes to the game with their Nvidia graphics cards. So you can see here, we do have the 5090 cards or the 5000 cards on display right here. And as always, MSI gives you a lot of different options for the different type of gamers out there. They have cards from the Supreme line, which offers high-end performance and exceptional cooling with premium design. Then they also offer what they call the Vanguard cards, which is their high-end series crafted for gamers who want premium performance with cutting-edge design. It has what they call the Hyper Frozer thermal design, which integrates advanced cooling technologies into their fan. And they talk about the gaming trio setup of cards to have. Now, this is something that's built on the heritage of the Dragon Spirit graphics cards. The gaming trio offers what they call reliable performance and refined style for gamers and content creators out there. And then we have their gaming vintage lineup. Now, this is a series that is ideal for balance and performance and affordability. So if you don't want to pay a premium price for some of the other cards out there, check out the line of vintage cards for you that will be, again, balance and performance, and it's very affordable for you. So if you want the 5090, the 5080, the 5070, MSI has something for you. Now let's take a look at some of these sick gaming mod, these cases that they have. I mean, some of the stuff is probably not going to ever make it to retail, but just look at some of the design out there. So we can all dream and hope to have this type of setup running dual, probably 5090 graphics cards with insane cooling going on to keep your case nice and cool so you won't overheat. And let's take a look at some of the motherboards that they have here. We're talking about some of their Carbon, their Meg, their Tomahawk, their higher end performing motherboards out there for all you gamers out there who demand the best. Again, MSI does not cut corners. I mean, just look at one of these gaming cases that is just phenomenal with the gold and blacks. They just hit right for you. Again, probably just a showpiece for the show here. But once again, if you desire, you could probably try to build this as well. Again, showing off some more of their higher end motherboards in different colors. You see we have the silver one here, and then of course your traditional black motherboards. Again, Carbon, Wi-Fi, Tomahawk, upper echelon, top of the line gaming motherboards that you're looking for out there. Now over this section right here, they show off their easy to build stuff. Talk about one click, one screw, easy to build. So if you're looking to just build your PC and don't want to hassle with screws and clicks and having to undo a lot of components, MSI has something for you, from their motherboards to their PSUs to their fans and to some other things for your cooling solutions or for your CPUs, your mounting clips and everything. MSI has you covered. They have not left any stone unturned right here. Now, it wouldn't be complete unless you have a great monitor to go with that. Now, we're taking a look at their mini LEDs. Talk about the first 4K mini LED monitor from MSI. Now, this does feature dual mode running 4K at 160 and 1080p at 320. And we have another monitor here at 24 inches. I'm sorry, another one at 27 inches here as well. Again, also running dual mode. And then if you want to step down just a little bit, you can also just opt for a 24-inch version of the monitor as well. Now, let's take a look at Project Zero. So what exactly is this Project Zero? Well, first off, you see this very nice, stunning white build, white case, white motherboard, white fans. Now, this is something that, again, that is just for show. What they're showing here is no cables. Everything is hidden behind and up under the case. So the wires are gone, hence the name Project Zero. All right, let's talk about the Claw, the MSI 8 AI Plus. Now, we all know about the 7 that was released. Performance on that with the Intel chip did not hold up well. It did receive some updates and improvements a little bit later on, but again, it was not up to task, up to what the gamers expected. Now this one does feature the newest Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, the 258. Now this is a very powerful chip from Intel. So very quickly, it's an 8-inch touchscreen. I'll get more on that touchscreen in just a little bit. An 80 watt-hour battery, I'll get more into that. And we're talking about 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports on this, so endless expandability for this. So just feel free to plug in whatever you want. Now again, the new Intel Core Ultra 7 processor is going to give you up to 50% more GPU performance, up to 27% more CPU performance. We're talking about the NPU in there is 47 TOPS, so very powerful. You can actually throw Copilot at it, throw AI at it, and you won't have to worry about this. Now the touchscreen, again, it's 8-inch, and the VRR up to 120 Hertz refresh rate, 16:10 aspect ratio, 500 nits of brightness, and of course, this is the IPS touchscreen. Now, in terms of joysticks, this does have the advanced Hall effect joysticks on there, so drifting will not be a problem for years to come. Just take it on the go with you, play around with it, just throw it, just give it your all in gaming. You don't have to worry about the drift for years to come. That's what Hall effect it gives you. Now, in terms of battery, so again, it's the 80 watt-hour battery, 4 hours of gameplay in endurance mode, and up to 28 hours of video in 1080p mode. Now that is everything to wrap up the MSI Claw 8 AI Plus from MSI. I'm very much looking forward to this system coming out. Again, it is available January 15th. You can go online and pre-order right now. The cost of this system is $900. And there you have it, folks. That is MSI's booth for the most part. Thank you once again for taking time out to watch this video. If you enjoy this type of content and stay up to date with the latest tech news, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.